You have better sharks.
Hi.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. Just for saying that.
I'm serious. If it like freaking turns off, you have to pay for the new camera.
That's so high school.
I told you to not put your stuff up there, because last time you did, you made the camera.
I didn't touch the camera.
Yeah, I didn't care. You don't listen at all.
You don't want a camera doing that.
I don't even care.
You look like the biggest dicks in the
I don't
world.
care.
Should I just put it right there?
You know it doesn't loop anymore, right?
I know there's no loop. But I just know that you said
I can technically hit like 4 cars if I'm lucky as fuck. Like I have the Pot of Bears and Reborn. I don't think I even play Pot of Bears. I haven't even drawn it yet. You want a card, by the way?
Promise you're not cheating?
Nope.
No. Stack like a mother.
You can just go to hell, man.
I've waited cards.
Go ahead.
I don't give a fuck.
I added that factory to me. It was on my lap the whole time.
7 Armageddon Knight.
Oh my God.
F5.
Psalm Judgment. Nah, that's fine.
I dare you to.
I've Solemn Judgment and drawn my yellow before. It looks really ugly. I don't know what I can do. I like flipped it, but I didn't think it was going to go right there. I was like,
Just bought these sleeves.
okay, it wasn't in my mouth, but yeah.
Oh, well, that makes it better.
It came from the bag, it fell down, I was like, whoop,
Second 14.
in my ass.
I told you I don't like your Jewish ways.
Yeah, I know. Other?
Yep.
Yu-Gi-Oh! During my draw phase. Wait, Ryan, during the draw phase, I'll space your back row.
During the draw
Yeah,
phase?
during the draw phase.
Oh my God. Crash.
I don't know how to play this game. Apex?
No, crash. That's not how you play. That's not. You're not doing it right.
I'm doing this wrong.
You're not doing it right.
All wrong. Summon. Reveal. Apex.
You're not doing it right. Oh. I've seen
Bye,
this
Ryan.
before.
Like a level 3?
Yep.
I'm gonna beat you. With the 1. God, I need to hit that fucking like light monster. Damn it. You draw that shit a lot.
Well, I run 4.
Did I ask you if you ran 4? Such a dick.
Damn it! The one card that could have saved me.
Just gotta beat down on you with my 1500s.
I'll just negate all day.
Attack for 1.
Yeah.
Attack 15.
Yep.
No glories. Go ahead.
Summon Commander.
No glories.
Bottomless me. Oh, wait. Attack. Oh, you're cute. Yep, you're so cute. 1 second. I'm debating. Debation.
Lance wouldn't work.
Debation. No, I'm not thinking about that. Debation. Well, obviously I would die.
Yep.
It would work against the Mirror Force, though. But it would be a complete waste of
Yeah, you would lose life points instead.
life. Let's see. Yeah.
My turn, you have nothing? What game
I
over?
know. Maybe I did. Is that really game?
No. I'll use Rabbit. If I can play Rat, if I can Magician. I mean, I don't know what game it is.
So broke.
Look, I'm not even going to play right. I'm just going to like mess around. I'm going to play Magician. Look at this. Look at this. You just don't even know what's going on. And when they come back, I'm going to go into another one. Okay, 19.
I'm at 19? Okay.
Go ahead. It's like Dark Hole. I have to like destroy a lot of things.
Heavy. What? What's that? Put your life points at.
Excuse me.
Is that? Go. 33. I need a good top deck soon.
Can't even do anything with them. They're just stuck there. I hope that monster isn't big. I can't kill it. Actually,
Test the hero defender? No. Spirit Reaper. Wait. So you're tagging him on the gate. Necro card another 15. Yep. That dark. All I